Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, restart the Redmi, then flip airplane mode on for 10 seconds and back off. This forces a fresh radio handshake. Next, power down and reinsert the SIM to rule out bad contacts, because loose pins cause emergency-only behavior. Once done, open Settings right arrow SIM cards and mobile networks and set preferred network to 4G/3G/2G automatic. This step forces the phone to request normal service bands instead of staying in a. Now you dig deeper. Go to access point names and reset to default so the carrier profile is correct. Incorrect APN can break registration. Then, under mobile networks, choose network operators, try manual selection of your carrier and wait for registration, then switch back to automatic. This forces a fresh attach. Also check data roaming only if you are abroad, because blocked roaming can show emergency only. Make sure MIUI carrier updates are applied. They often include fixes for registration. Finish by resetting network settings to clear any corrupted configs. This removes saved Wi-Fi and cellular profiles and forces a clean registration. Back up any required settings first. Then update MIUI and any carrier firmware. Sometimes a baseband update fixes radios. If nothing changes, perform a factory reset only as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip. If the phone still shows emergency calls only, insert a different known working SIM. If that SIM also fails, suspect hardware and contact your carrier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.